Electrical and electronics engineering professionals are in high demand in Australia due to the rapid growth in renewable energy, telecommunications, defense, and infrastructure projects. Here's an in-depth look at the demand, opportunities, and pathways for electrical and electronics engineers in Australia. Australia's transition to renewable energy sources, including solar, wind, and battery storage, requires expertise in electrical systems design and management. Large-scale projects in transport, utilities, and urban development depend on reliable electrical systems. The rollout of 5G networks and advancements in IoT are driving demand for electronics engineers. Investments in military technology and space programs require electrical and electronics engineers for sophisticated systems. Rising adoption of robotics, automation, and smart grids necessitates engineers skilled in power systems and control electronics. Key roles in electrical and electronics engineering include electrical engineering positions such as power systems engineer, who designs and manages power grids, substations, and distribution networks. Control systems engineer, who develops automated systems for industrial processes. And renewable energy engineer, who works on wind turbines, solar farms, and battery storage systems. In electronics engineering, roles include telecommunications engineer, who designs and maintains 5G networks, satellite communications, and IoT devices. Embedded systems engineer, who develops software-hardware integration for devices and robotics. An electronics design engineer, who creates circuit designs for consumer electronics and industrial machinery. Industries and opportunities for electrical and electronics engineers are abundant. In renewable energy, there is a focus on solar farms, wind turbines, energy storage, and smart grids, with demand for electrical engineers for power distribution and renewable energy integration, particularly in New South Wales, South Australia, and Victoria. In telecommunications, the focus is on 5G networks, fiber optic systems, and IoT solutions, with demand for electronics engineers for system design and deployment in Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. The defense and aerospace sector focuses on advanced radar, communication systems, and avionics, requiring electrical and electronics engineers for design and maintenance, especially in South Australia and New South Wales. Manufacturing and automation emphasize robotics, industrial machinery, and automated systems, with demand for control systems and embedded systems engineers in Victoria and Western Australia. Utilities and infrastructure focus on power generation, water systems, and urban electrification, requiring electrical engineers for project management and system optimization in Perth, Brisbane, and regional areas. Visa pathways for electrical and electronics engineers include the Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189, which offers permanent residency with no state or employer sponsorship needed. The Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190, a state-sponsored visa offering permanent residency, and the Skilled Work Regional Visa, Subclass 491, a temporary visa requiring work in regional areas leading to permanent residency. There are also employer-sponsored visas, such as the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482, for roles with proven shortages, and the Employer Nomination Scheme Visa, Subclass 186, which is a pathway to permanent residency. The Global Talent Visa program is available for engineers with expertise in priority areas like renewable energy, telecommunications, or AI. Salary expectations for 2024 estimates indicate that entry-level engineers can expect to earn between AUD 70,000 and AUD 90,000 per year, mid-level engineers between AUD 90,000 and AUD 130,000 per year, and senior engineers between AUD 130,000 and AUD 180,000 or more per year. Specialist roles, such as those in renewable energy or avionics, can command salaries between AUD 140,000 and AUD 220,000 or more per year. To boost employability, skills and certifications are essential. Professional registration with Engineers Australia as a Chartered Professional Engineer, CPA, is recommended. Technical expertise in like MATLAB, LabVIEW, AutoCAD Electrical, and PLC programming is valuable, along with knowledge of Australian standards, particularly AS3000 for electrical installations. Specialized knowledge in renewable energy systems, robotics, or embedded systems is advantageous. Project management certifications like PMP or Prince2 can enhance prospects, as can experience with secure electronic systems in defense and telecommunications. Regional demand for electrical and electronics engineers varies across Australia. In New South Wales, including Sydney and regional areas, there is a focus on telecommunications, renewable energy, and infrastructure, with opportunities for telecommunications engineers and energy system designers. In Victoria, particularly Melbourne and surrounding areas, the focus is on advanced manufacturing, robotics, and urban infrastructure, with opportunities for control systems engineers and HVAC specialists. South Australia, including Adelaide and surrounding areas, emphasizes defense, space, and renewable energy, offering opportunities for avionics engineers and electronics designers. Queensland, particularly Brisbane and regional areas, focuses on mining, utilities, and power distribution, with opportunities for power systems engineers and maintenance specialists. Western Australia, including Perth and mining regions, emphasizes mining machinery and energy systems, offering opportunities for maintenance and systems engineers. Tasmania focuses on hydroelectric power and sustainable energy systems, with opportunities for renewable energy engineers and control systems designers. To find electrical and electronics engineering jobs, job portals such as Seek, Indeed, and LinkedIn Jobs are useful. Government migration programs can be explored through state migration sites like Migration Queensland or Live in Melbourne. Networking is also important. Attending industry events via Engineers Australia and participating in renewable energy or defense expos can provide valuable connections.